Just make a simple 1-2 call and just make sure you say you get the money. Not that hard. I understand. I get what you say, but just do the right thing. Because listen, you see if she come to you, she will come to me. And if a girl come to me, you know, so done it done.
One thing we rate for there now. Always I gotta talk the truth.
Mom, hope you get used to it because I tell you the only thing that will come out of my mouth is the truth. Some hope you don't allergic. Anyways, come. I'm not going to grass before the people. So we need to lock up the place. Them need to lock up the place. So I'm going to say.
Oh.
Patsy is fine, darling.
Why you tell her that? I respect her, you know?
She can't respect me some other way. Me her sister, me her mother sister, and her auntie.
Oh boy. Sometimes it's not easy, you know. Destiny, I Miss Patsy here.
Miss Patsy, a makeup you have on your face or is bleaching?
Well, darling, you see, in life sometimes you have to change your appearance. Just Miss Patsy at tone, yeah?
But why? Why? You don't like how you look?
Well, alright, so and I say I don't like how I look. You know, sometimes you ever want to look different yet?
No, not really. So how did you look before?
Well, alright, so make sure you one picture.
I like how you look. Why did you change your appearance?
Because we just want that change, you know, but you like it?
Yeah.
Thanks.
You can't see them picture there?
No, you're too fast. Come on, Joe.
Come here. You have a minute, yeah? Hey, nice. Why this up?
Yeah, anything.
You see how you look at so? Some like it. Don't put on no more cream on your face.
Okay, sure. I'm not put on no more bleach on my skin.
Good. Come. You know himself come.
Can't put it out now, yeah. Do whatever feels good. Do whatever feels good, honey. Oh, it's like a Sunday vibe. Oh, you hit your